Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. This is going to be very small, but if you remember, I reviewed another bicycle light by the company Vont, V-O-N-T. Just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be this exact same headlamp by the company that also makes bicycle lights. They actually make really cool ones, very small and inexpensive as well. So check out those links below, or at the end of the video, I will have that bicycle light review. But this is a headlamp Vont, and I'm going to show you some examples besides obviously what you kind of already are thinking, camping, stuff like that. These are excellent for auto maintenance, especially after it gets dark, working on your car, wherever your head is looking, that's where you're looking. Of course, camping and outdoor activities, but I use it to check power goes out. I go to my electrical box. You have no lights, you need to see what's going on. And sometimes you don't want to stick a flashlight in your mouth while you're fiddling around, so a headlamp is a must. Let's go ahead and get it out. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy on out of here. Put down that sharp knife there. Inside, we have a thank you by Vont, and let's go ahead and get this guy on out of here. Okay, we have two little packages there, and that's gonna do it for the box. And let's go ahead and get that out real quick, and that out real quick. And if I didn't mention, this is the 2-pack that I got here. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit closer. All right, so we have a nice Vont logo around our headband here. And that again is nice and stretchy there. Very nice. And then adjustable band, obviously for one size fits all. What you would do is you would take the bottom one, slide that forward, pull that one for a smaller head. These are actually great. Also, if you haven't purchased a bicycle light, it is required by the law to ride around the streets at night with bicycle lights. So you could, if you're in a pinch, this is kind of a 2-for-1 where you literally could put this on top of your head and ride your bicycle around without getting a ticket. But again, they do sell bicycle lights as well. And if this is up against your forehead there, it is adjustable so it can angle down if you're working on your car or whatever activity, if you're cooking in the wilderness, campfire during camping. And on the inside is just going to be this here. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and plop some batteries on in. And how to do that, you just go ahead and click that up there. That folds down. And we're going to go ahead and put 3 AAA batteries in there. And we'll go ahead and take it for a test run. All right, guys, we got our batteries inside. I just have some IKEA batteries in there. I'll try to link some AAA batteries as well. Four settings total. So that is low, that is medium, that is ultra bright, number 3, and then you go flashing there, and then it cuts off. All right, now let's go ahead and show you the red light mode here. We're gonna hold it down for 2 seconds, 1,000, 1,000, and your red lights come on there if obviously you want to use a very, very subtle light. So let's go ahead and cut the lights and check these out. So it might be a little tricky on camera, but let's show you the red lights here. Here is my bathroom there, and as it lights it up there. And so that again would be obviously if you need to, camping, go outside, use the restroom, don't want to disturb too many people without the bright lights so you can go back to bed quickly. I'll leave that up to you. Here it is in the mirror here. And very nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the modes 1, 2, and 3. And if you tap it one more time, the red light starts flashing. And so you actually could use this for a bicycle light as well. This has many different options. All the way to the end there, from where I'm standing, that is easily probably 25 feet. Maybe even 30 feet up to that shade there in the window, the little bird thing here. I'm not seeing any flickering, but my Samsung S8 Plus does that. So here we are on the first one here, and we're gonna go ahead and show you that's again about 25, 30 feet away. Now hitting it one more time, this is the medium right here. And it seems like if you leave it on for a while, one click will turn it off. So once you turn it on, then you go very quickly to the desired one that you want. And so as you can see, it's been on for about 7-8 seconds now. You hit it, it will go off. But once you go 1 click, 2 clicks, 3 clicks, 4 clicks, there is flashing right there. Let's go ahead and click that off. 1, 2, 3, and flashing. 1, 2, 3, very bright, being able to light all the goodies up. Look at the bathroom here. So again, even if you're not a camper or an outdoor enthusiast, having one of these for car maintenance or if the power goes out, and I was actually doing some late night gardening tonight, and this is a great way for you to do that as well if it gets dark and you're not done with your project quite yet. And I do want to show you there is actually 3 modes with the red. So that will go ahead and turn off, but let's do that one more time. Boom, flashing, boom, and then flashing very fast. And then one more time it goes off. So you got 1, 2, and mode 3 there. One more time off. And let's go ahead and hold it down for a couple more seconds. And let's see, I think we actually have to turn it on, then we hold it down, there we go. And then we're back in the game for that one there. Well guys, it's an awesome headlamp. I'm very impressed with the brightness of it, especially if you would like to go a little bit lower or raise that brightness level up. Once you have one, you're definitely gonna find uses for it, even if you're outside of the camping realm like we mentioned in the video. Guys, in the description box below is gonna be this exact same headlamp by Vont and their bicycle lights as well. They're great bicycle lights. I have them on my electric dirt bike. That video I'll link below as well. Thumbs that video up on your way out. Subscribe because we've got a lot more action coming your way. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.